Good morning, Grizzlies. I'm Michaela Williams.
And I'm Mason Freed. These are your announcements for Tuesday, April 30th, 2024.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Attention to all students who plan to attend prom. Maya Tux will be here during lunch today to measure anyone who wants to order a tux. Choose from over 60 styles of tuxes and 200 varieties of vests and cummerbunds. There is no deposit required. See Aiden Valentine or Sean Martinez for coupons and information. Remember to order your tux today.
The speech and debate team will host a showcase this Wednesday, May 1st, 2024 in the Media Center. This event will start at 6 p.m. The event is free and open to the public. Come see some amazing performances from our award-winning speech and debate team.
Congratulations to sophomore Kendall Randolph for qualifying to the National Speech and Debate Tournament this June. Kendall will join 7 other team members from Wadsworth High School in Iowa this summer.
Congrats to the varsity and JV track and field teams for having a successful meet this past Friday. The boys team earned first out of 6 teams, and the girls took second at the Northwestern Green Hat Relays. In addition, both the girls and boys JV teams earned first out of 8 teams at the Vermillion Junior Varsity Invite. Great work by all.
In baseball news, all 3 teams won big this past weekend on senior night. The varsity team shut out Marlington 7-0, while the JV team scored a staggering 25 runs, beating the Dukes 25-2. The freshman team also won, beating Wayndale 10-5. Congrats, gentlemen.
Lastly, the girls softball team won 6-0 versus North Royalton to raise their record to 6-3 overall in the Suburban League. Nice job, ladies.
This Thursday is our Fine Arts Festival and final band concert of the school year. Brody caught up with Mrs. Heyer to learn more.
Thanks, guys. I'm here with Miss Heyer, and she's going to talk to us about tomorrow night's band concert. First off, can you tell us a little bit about the concert?
Yeah, the concert tomorrow night's going to be a little bit different from our other concerts. We have all 3 of our high school concert bands performing at 7 o'clock, but at 6:30 in the cafeteria, our high school jazz band will perform before we open the doors.
Thank you. How is it different from your past concerts?
It's very different from our past concerts because as this is our last concert, we're going to mix it up. The music's going to be more fast-paced, more popular in genre of music. We are adding like special effects and lighting and background and like just really trying to make the music come alive and just give it more of just a sit back and listen, but just be a part of the experience.
Thank you. What's your favorite part of this concert?
Goodness. We have one of my favorite parts. We are going to feature Casey Mobley, who's a senior. He will be majoring in tuba performance at the University of Tennessee. So he's going to be playing a solo on the concert. And that's one of my favorites because, you know, being in this position, I see my students, I meet them in 5th grade or in 7th grade, and to see someone go from picking up that instrument from the first time and then soloing on stage and getting a full ride to college on those efforts is really, that's fun to watch. But I also have to say, I think our closer is going to be a lot of fun for the concert as well. We have the 2 extremes. What Casey's playing is very classical in nature, and then everything else is going to be more popular.
If someone wanted to come, how do they attend it?
Oh, it's super easy. Just come right to the pack. Like I said, doors will open a little bit before 7. The concert starts at 7, but sit in the cafeteria, listen to the jazz band about 6:30. We do not have any assigned or reserved seats, and we do not charge admission. So once our doors open, anyone is able to come in and watch and enjoy.
Tomorrow is also our Fine Arts Assembly. What can students expect to see?
The Fine Arts Assembly is really special because we get to showcase all of our performing arts and visual arts students at the high school. So in this assembly, you'll get to see a drama production. You'll get to see something from speech and debate. The jazz band will perform. The choirs will perform. Our state champion Winter Guard will perform their routine from this year, their show from this year, but also presentation of outstanding students. And I believe we're presenting Teacher of the Year there at that one as well. So it's very special, and it's a wonderful assembly.
Thanks, Brody. Today's lunch menu is cheesesteak burger or chicken patty sandwich, sliced cucumbers, fruit, and milk.
That's it for today's announcements. Have a great day, Grizzlies.